Alright, so I'm back from my epic beer run. And we're watching the back deck. It's so windy out. One of my shelves fell down here. But it's just very, very windy still. And there's been some thunder snow. Just moments ago while I was inside, we were watching this the last video, and we saw some thunder snow outside. We saw it, and I said, oh, I don't know how long it would take for us to see it again after we saw the first one, and lo and behold, it happened twice, very short time. So I'm out here right now, and it's crazy. This is pretty nuts. Thunder snow, a pretty rare thing, but check this out. It's pretty nuts. This is the view from our deck, obviously. Oh shit. That was a dumpster. Scared the hell out of me. But yeah, it's really windy up here. We're about 3 stories up. We are 3 stories up, for that matter. And Jesus, you know, if anyone's outside right now, if anyone is, which are a lot of people that I saw on the road on the way to 7-Eleven earlier, you know, it's pretty dangerous out here. So be careful while you guys are out there. You know, it was stupid of me to go out there, but I just had to get out there before it got like this, and you know, it's gotten worse in the past, you know, hour and a half now. Seriously, the 7-Eleven was open, and I said, you know, it's a miracle that you guys are open. And the guy said, we're 7-Eleven, we're open 24/7. I felt bad for this guy because I know he works during the day, and the other guy can't replace him. He's stuck there for the night. You know? Just listen to that.